I have an awesome strategy for you to earn 31% on the next $10,000 that you spend. And you know what? It's just as easy as swiping a credit card. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Michael here with Couple of Corsies. You heard that right, 31% on your next $10,000 spent. And I'm talking about credit card reward points, specifically being redeemed for travel. The three cards I'm talking about today are the Chase Freedom Flex, the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now let's talk about these cards individually really quickly. The Chase Freedom Flex, you are going to earn 5% back on the bonus categories for every quarter. Past categories have included gas stations, they've included grocery stores, they've included home improvement stores. You'll earn 5% on that up to $1,500 and then 1% back on everything else. The Chase Freedom Unlimited, very simple. You're going to earn 1.5% back on all purchases, no limit. The Chase Sapphire Preferred, you're going to earn 2% back on all purchases for dining and travel related, and then 1% back on anything else. Again, no cap on any of that. Now all these cards have different promotions going on, but basically those are what you're going to get all the time. All of these cards come with sign-up bonuses, and that's where you can really earn the cash back. Now this strategy works the best for two spouses in a household. Let's call the people in this household Person A and Person B. Person A is going to sign up first for the Chase Freedom Flex. The beauty of that card, the annual fee is $0. And if you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening that card, you will get 20,000 points. At the bare minimum, those 20,000 points are worth $200 in cash back. Next, you're going to open the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Annual fee, $0. Sign up bonus for that card, 20,000 points after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Another $200 in cash back. So for opening 2 free credit cards, you just earned yourself 40,000 points or $400 in cash back. If you stop right there, you're money ahead. But let's keep going. If you open the Chase Sapphire Preferred, that does have an annual fee of $95, and that is because it does offer a few more perks. But that sign-up bonus is going to be 60,000 points. And again, at the bare minimum, that's $600 in cash back for spending an additional $95. So right now, just opening up those 3 credit cards, Person A would have 100,000 points in sign-up bonuses. But wait, you say, I spent some money on those cards. You would be correct. So for spending $5,000 on those cards, that will return you an additional $5,250. $500 from the Chase Freedom Flex, because I'm just assuming that you'll just spend on the 1%. If you spend on any of the 5% categories, that's additional money. $750 because the Chase Freedom Unlimited has 1.5% back on all purchases, and 4,000 points on the Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you walked away right now, you would have 105,250 points. Why stop there? If you have a spouse in the household, let's add them to this party. Chase offers referral bonuses. If Person A refers Person B will get those same sign-up bonuses, and Person A will get 10,000 bonus points for both the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. They will also get an additional 15,000 points for referring on the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which in total is $35,000 in bonus points just for referring Person B. Person B's sheet would look like this: 100,000 from sign-up bonuses and 5,250 points from spending. With any Chase credit card, you get access to the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. But since you hold the Chase Sapphire Preferred, in the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, you can redeem those points on travel for 25% more. So what you're going to do is either Person A or Person B are going to call up Chase, make a connection, and then you can transfer all those points from one account to the other. So combined, those points in total would be 245,500. Just in cash back, those points would be worth $2,455. Still pretty good on only $190 in spend. In the Chase portal, those points are going to be worth 25% more, and this is where you can get a huge bonus. Those same points are going to be 306,875, and the cash equivalent of that is $3,069. That would then make your $10,000 in spend a 31% return. 31% return. That's amazing. I'm just going to leave it at that. One thing I will ask is if you have any interest in opening any of these credit cards, I will leave a link in the description. So please check that out. It is a referral link. It would be the same referral that you would get yourself, but it would help out. That's all I got for you today. I just want to help people get out there and travel and see more at a significant discount. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up and please be sure to subscribe. I hope by the time this video is up, we've reached 1,000 subscribers, but if not, we're so close. Get out there, see the world, and most importantly, enjoy your adventure. We'll see you in the next one.